Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, install Windows 11 23H2 on unsupported computer, no TPM or secure boot. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Install. Press Shift and F10 keys to get command prompt. Type regedit. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand system, click and expand setup, click and expand lab config. Create new Dword 32-bit value named as bypass TPM check, change value data to 1. Create new Dword 32-bit value named as bypass secure boot check, change value data to 1. Close and exit Registry editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.